दोस्तों, आज के इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 9th की मैथमेटिक्स में क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स चैप्टर पर चर्चा करने वाले हैं। तो क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स चैप्टर में आज का हमारा टॉपिक है मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम। तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस और मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम का प्रूफ देखेंगे। तो आइए हमारे इस वीडियो का आनंद उठाइए और अपने ज्ञान को बढ़ाइए। तो मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम, व्हाट इज द मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम? द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम इज टू प्रूव दैट the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of it। मतलब एक ट्राइंगल आपको दिया हुआ है और उस ट्राइंगल में किसी भी दो साइड के मिड पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करने से जो लाइन सेगमेंट मिलेगा वो लाइन सेगमेंट आपके थर्ड साइड के पैरेलल होगा और थर्ड साइड का हाफ भी होगा। ये हमें प्रूव करना है। तो चलिए लेट अस एंजॉय द प्रूफ। सो नाउ हियर गिवन दैट ए ट्राइंगल ABC and D and E are the midpoints of sides AB and AC. You can see in this diagram. Triangle ABC is already given, ABC, and D is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of AC. Then to prove that DE equal to half of BC means this line segment DE just half of BC, and also DE parallel to BC मीन्स ये दोनों लाइन पैरेलल है और ये प्रूव करना है कि DE जो लाइन सेगमेंट है वो BC का हाफ है। तो इसको प्रूव करने के लिए थोड़ा सा कंस्ट्रक्शन चाहिए। सो रिक्वायर्ड कंस्ट्रक्शन इज ड्रॉ CF पैरेलल टू AB। ये CF AB के पैरेलल ड्रॉ करना है एंड एक्सटेंड DE अप टू F, और DE को बढ़ाया है और ये पॉइंट F तक बढ़ाया हुआ है। ठीक है, तो सो हियर फॉर प्रूफ, सिंस D and E are midpoints of side AB and AC, you can see here D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC, and CF parallel to BA otherwise AB. तो CF parallel to AB according to the construction. Now we take two triangles, that is a triangle AED and triangle CEF. Okay, so first of all we will prove here these two triangles are congruent. So what to write after that? AE equal to CE. Why? This AE equal to CE because E is the midpoint of AC. अगर ये मिड पॉइंट है तो ये इक्वल होगा, तो हम लिखेंगे AE इक्वल टू CE। दिस इज गिवन ऑलरेडी। आफ्टर दैट एंगल AED मींस दिस एंगल जस्ट इक्वल टू एंगल CEF। Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Okay, now then you can write here angle DAE just equal to FCE, angle DAE and equal to FCE. This is FCE means these two angles are equal. Why? Because this is parallel, AB is parallel to CF, so this is the transversal line, AC is the transversal line, and if AC is the transversal line, therefore this is alternate interior angle. Okay, BACF you can see here. So these two angles are alternate interior angle, so these are equal. After that you can observe here two angles and one side is equal, So you can say that by A as a criterion, triangle AED is congruent to triangle CEF. Okay, so you can see here, this is the side, this angle is the vertically opposite angle, and this is also angle is given, and this is included side. This angle is given, and angle A is given, and angle E is given, and middle side, that is included side, is given. So angle side angle criterion, you can say that these two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, then by CPCT you can say that AD equal to CF and DE equal to EF, because all corresponding parts are equal. So AD equal to CF means AD this one, and just equal to CF, this is this side. Okay, after that DE equal to EF, DE means this line segment, and just equal to EF. Okay, because these two triangles are congruent, so all corresponding parts are equal. Since dear AD equal to CF and DE equal to EF, you have proved already, and AD equal to BD, since D is the midpoint, D अगर इसका midpoint है तो AD equal to BD, तो यहाँ से आप एक conclusion निकालेंगे. आप देखिए AD equal to CF and AD equal to BD. So what you get? That is BD equal to CF. Okay. So this is the conclusion for these two statements. That is BD equal to CF. Now BD equal to CF and BD parallel to CF. This is given. Okay. According to the construction, BD equal to CF and BD equal to parallel to CF. Then you see here in this diagram, BD equal to CF and BD parallel to CF. So triangle quadrilateral BCFD. What is, since opposite sides are equal and parallel, so what do you say? आप क्या कहोगे? अगर BCFD क्वाड्रिलेटरल कोई है और इसमें अपोजिट साइड इक्वल भी आ रहा है, आपने प्रूव किया, और पैरेलल भी आ रहा है, तो आप क्या प्रूव करेंगे? देन दिस BCFD is a parallelogram. So dear, if BCFD is a parallelogram, then you know that the properties of parallelograms means opposite sides are equal and parallel. So you can say that DF equal to BC. This is the one opposite sides, and DF parallel to BC also. DF equal to BC and DF parallel to BC. After that, opposite sides are equal and parallel, then you can say that multiplying by half in both sides, that is half of DF equal to half of BC, and DF also written as DE because DE is the part of DF. So this is D parallel to BC, and half of DF equal to half of BC means here we will multiply it by 1/2 in both sides. So half of DF, it is written as DE because E is the midpoint. So DE equal to half of BC, and this is same to same DE parallel to BC. Hence the lines segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of it. This theorem is known as midpoint theorem. So this is the proof of this theorem. I want to tell you once again according to the diagram. So you have to prove here BCFD is a parallelogram. Okay. So opposite sides are equal. That is BC just equal to DF, means DF equal to BC. So we will write here DF equal to BC, and also DF parallel to BC because opposite sides are equal and parallel. Now you will multiply by half in both sides, and DF, this is the part of DE is the part of DF. So you can say that DE is also parallel to BC. Okay. If DF parallel to BC, then you can say that DE is also parallel to BC. Okay. After that, half